To watch this video in Hindi, go to the settings and select Hindi audio. Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. I hope all of you are doing well. I have received numerous requests to demonstrate how to effectively deep clean a kitchen hob. After renovating our kitchen last year, we upgraded our hob and chimney to new ones from Crompton, and I must say I'm quite impressed with its performance. You can find a comprehensive review of the hob and chimney in the description box below. In today's video, let's see the way I deep clean my hob and chimney, a routine I typically undertake once in a month or two. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure the longevity of the burners and maintain an efficient cooking experience. If your equipment needs any specific maintenance, then one must refer to its OEM's manual. Before diving into the deep cleaning process, it is essential to allow the hob to cool down completely and have your meals prepared for the day, as this procedure requires a bit of time for thorough drying. Let's start with removal of all the pan supports and submerging them in a mixture of hot water and dish liquid. This is followed by removal of burners and knobs. It is worth noting that the hob burners differ from cooktop burners. Cooktops usually feature removable top parts, the burners for cleaning, while hob consists of two parts, burner caps and flame caps, both of which can be detached for cleaning purposes. As depicted, they are heavily soiled and coated in grime. These burners are crafted from brass and the top part is enamel coated for a sleek appearance. It is a good idea to soak them separately in a mixture of hot water, dish liquid and a cup of vinegar for approximately 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's proceed to clean the remaining components. Don't overlook the knobs, they too require removal and thorough cleaning. Before we clean the hob, let's start by cleaning the chimney first. When we clean, dirt and oil might fall onto the hob, so it is better to clean the chimney before the hob. This chimney has an auto cleaning feature, so I don't need to take out any filters manually. It cleans itself automatically with just one press of auto clean button. Once the self-cleaning is done, a mixture of dish soap and water is used to clean the outside of the chimney. Using a soft old scrub pad can easily remove sticky buildup. Dish soap works well for cleaning of oil because it is made to clean greasy dishes. Next, we need to clean the area near chimney fan. Gentle wipe with a damp cloth and soapy water is good enough. It is best not to spray the solution right onto the fan to avoid causing any damage. This small habit goes a long way in maintaining the chimney's pristine condition and preventing the buildup of grime. Now let's proceed to remove the tray that collects oil during the self-cleaning process and clean it thoroughly with dish liquid. This tray reveals the substantial amount of oil that accumulates. This chimney model is a good investment because it cuts down the work needed to clean the filters manually. After cleaning the tray, it is carefully put back in the chimney, finishing this part of the cleaning. Next step is to remove any dry food residue from the hob. Lightly spray a mixture of dish soap, vinegar and water all over the hob. Using an old sponge pad, gently scrub the surface. Exercise caution to avoid any damage to glass surface. For tough stains near the ignition, I will use a special brush designed for hob cleaning. If there is anything stuck in those narrow areas, clean it with a dry cloth, avoiding adding water inside. After that, it is wiped with a damp kitchen wipe. Also, always lift the hob to check for any food residues underneath. Moving on, thoroughly clean the pan supports. Since they were soaked in soapy water, most of the oil and grime should be gone. Scrub them using a scrubber and rinse with water. After cleaning, let them air dry. I also cleaned all the knobs. These knobs often collect food and grime in their grooves, so it is important not to overlook them. Next step is to clean the burners. Since they were soaked in a soap and vinegar solution, the dirt has loosened up and need only a light wash. To achieve extra shine and quick cleaning, one can use pitambari powder. Alternatively, soaking them in vinegar overnight can achieve a similar results. I also tried a new spray that works well on brass, copper and silver. It is helpful for cleaning utensils, idols and artifacts. However, it is a bit premium cost-wise. After cleaning the burners, use a special pin to unclog their holes. This practice ensures the burners remain clean, well maintained and provide a consistent flame. After everything has dried, gently wipe with a soft dry cloth and put everything back in its place. With today's cleaning mission accomplished, I am thrilled to see my hob and chimney sparkling clean. Keeping appliances clean is important for their optimal performance and smooth kitchen routine. And that's it for today. Whenever I complete these kind of tedious deep cleaning tasks, I like to treat or reward myself. It is a way to stay motivated and happy in what I am doing. Today I am making meathi sevaiyan, sweet vermicelli for myself and my family. Small treats like these help to reduce fatigue and maintain my enthusiasm. It is a great way to look forward to a rewarding treat and enjoy household chores. I hope this video is helpful to all of you. Thank you for watching and see you all next week. Bye bye.